Hello everyone, in this lesson explain combination and a permutation. Number 1. Combination. Order does not matter. Used when only the selection of items matters and the argument doesn't create a new case. The second argument is required. And let's print. Let's run. Okay. Let's print it like this. Number 2. Permutation. Order matters. Used when the sequence or argument of item is critical. The second argument is optional. If omitted, it defaults to the full length of the input, like this. First, import libraries. Okay. And let's print. Let's run. Let's print it like this. Number 3. Combinations with replacement. Duplicates allowed. Similar to combinations, but individual elements can be repeated more than once. Simulating dice rolls or DNA sequencing. With this function, the specified length can even be greater than the length of the input list. First, import library. Okay. Then print. Let's run and print it like this. Okay. All of these itertools functions return memory efficient iterators written in highly optimized C, making them incredibly fast and lightweight compared to custom nested loop. Subscribe for more Python tips.